What's up, guys? It's your boy Sawan Belcher. This is me taking action on Instagram, and today, welcome to the ride along. Okay, this is our new show that we're doing, and this is my bike. Okay, this is a 2020 Gixxer 750. Okay, and I'm doing the ride along because number one, I like bikes. Okay, I forgot that I like bikes so much because I have been working so much that I really just forgot. I really just forgot that I like bikes. So I'm doing this ride along, this little show, just to talk to you more about lifestyle, talk to you about self-care, and to inspire. Okay. I'm riding this joint a little bit more often. I think I picked it up I picked it up 3 months ago. Yeah, I picked it up like 3 months ago, and I've been having fun on it. Okay, so my goal with this particular show is to talk to you more about self-care, also to show you some of our properties as I'm riding and checking on contractors. Like right now, I'm going to the bank. I'm gonna send wires to some of my private money lenders that I'm paying off for a couple properties that we sold. So you guys get to kind of ride along. So I hope you guys like this form of content. If you don't, let me know. If you do, let me know. If there's something that you want to see in particular, let me know. Okay. But one thing I noticed right off gate was, for me, I needed to hire right off gate because I didn't have a lot of time working at the car dealership. So instantly, I wanted assistance so I didn't have to feel the pressure and the weight of doing everything. Okay. Now, I didn't know at the time that's a huge benefit to being consistent in your business, because if you only have to rely on one, that's way too close to being zero. I know everybody says, hey, I do it the best, I'm the best at this, I can't rely on people, but that is just lies from the devil. Okay, the good book says where two or more gather together, it's a good thing. So don't be afraid of hiring somebody, partnering with somebody. It's good. I missed out on that house right there. All right, let me slow down. This bike is so much fun, guys. So much fun, man. I absolutely love riding so much, man. Honestly, for the last couple days, I just been riding the bike all day long, and let me tell you how good that is for your mental. Okay, with this bike, you got to use every part of yourself, just like business. With this bike, you got to use every part of yourself. You got to use your brain non-stop. Okay, you have to look. Your left hand covers the clutch. Okay, your left hand allows you to cover the clutch so you can go up levels or so you can pull back levels. Okay, I'm relating this to business. Your right hand covers the throttle. Okay, you see the throttle makes it go faster, but you have to cover the front brakes at the same time just in case. So your right hand does two things. Okay, your right foot allows you to press the rear brakes. Okay, and your left foot helps your left hand clutch up and go to the next level. That's business. That's business, because in business we have to master our full selves. Okay, I mean, like, discipline is mastering yourself, waking up early consistently, paying for marketing, hiring, being willing to train, being coachable. All of that is working in your best self, learning how to listen more than you speak, learning how to speak well. All of those things, that's mastering yourself, man. So I absolutely love doing this, man. I'm telling you guys, for everybody that's just getting started, you're gonna see what I'm saying. You're gonna see what I'm understanding. It sounds like a bunch of mumbo jumbo right now, but the only difference between you and your future self is how much better you will be. I hope that makes sense. The only difference between you right now and yourself that you're gonna be in 5 years, in 10 years, or even next year, okay, is how much better you're gonna be. Okay, that's it. That's it. You need to be working on yourself consistently every single day. Okay, that means getting stronger, eating healthier so your body can process more, you know, getting stronger mentally so you can think harder, you know, so you can think more, making more relationships so that way you can have an edge over your competition with better relationships. You know, you need to be working on more skills, you know. But look, we're on the way to the bank. Like I said, I got to send a couple wires, so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at the bank.